Welcome to GCRD Technologies. Banking Domain Basics. A small video on banking domain basics. Theoretical video. Domain knowledge for software professionals. It is for both software developers and testers. Domain. Domain means a domain has several meanings. General meaning is domain means an area. Next, web domain. Suppose domain address icicbank.com. That is domain name. In our software development and testing scenario, domain means an industry for which a software application is being developed. Domain knowledge is essential for both software developers and testers. Apart from for developers, apart from programming knowledge, domain knowledge is also important. For example, they want to develop banking application. For that, banking operations, banking knowledge is required. For testers also, for apart from software testing knowledge, that banking domain knowledge is required. What is account, what is loan, what is bill payment, what is money transfer, like banking operations knowledge. If you want to test insurance application, insurance knowledge is required. Business knowledge. Okay, domain knowledge for software professionals. First, introduction. A bank is a financial institution that provides banking and other financial services to its customers. Banks are a subset of financial services industry and play an important role in the global economies. Banks play a key role in the entire financial system by mobilizing deposits from households spread across the nation and the market. These funds available for investment either by lending or buying securities. Next, primary functions of banks. All banks have to perform two major primary functions. One is accepting deposits and other is granting loans. First, deposits, primary function of a bank. We have types of deposits. Saving deposits. Saving deposits. What are saving deposits? Just to get an idea. The account for saving deposits can be opened in a single name or in joint names. The depositors just need to maintain a minimum balance which varies across the different banks. Next, fixed deposits. Fixed deposits, also known as term deposits. Money is deposited for a fixed tenor. No withdrawal money during this period allowed. In case depositors withdraw before maturity, banks levy a penalty for premature withdrawal. Next, current deposits. They are opened by businessmen. The account holders get an overdraft facility in this account. These deposits act as short-term loans to meet urgent needs. Next, recurring deposits. A certain sum of money is deposited in the bank at a regular interval. Money can be withdrawn only after the expiry of a certain period. This type of account is operated by salaried persons and petty traders. Next, loans and advances. Another primary functions of bank. Loans and advances. We have different types of loans that we will discuss in the next topic. First, what are the types of loans and advances? Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. This facility is for current account holders. It allows account holders to withdraw money anytime more than available in bank balance, but up to the provided limit. An overdraft facility is granted against collateral security. Next, cash credits. A short-term loan facility up to a specific limit fixed in advance. Banks allow the customer to take a loan against a mortgage of certain property. Next, loans. We have types of loans that I will explain later in the next topic. In this video only. Loans. Banks lend money to the customer for short-term or medium periods of saying 1 to 10 years against tangible assets. Next, discounts the bill of exchange. It is a type of short-term loan where the seller discounts the bill from the bank for same fees. Next, secondary functions of banks. One is transfer of funds, transferring funds from one account to another. It is one banking function, but secondary function. Next, bill payments, paying bills through our bank account, paying bills. Next, periodic collections, collecting dividends, salaries, pensions, and similar periodic collections on the client's behalf. Next, periodic payments, auto payments, making periodic payments of rents, electricity bills, etc. on behalf of the client. Next, collection of checks, like collecting money from the bills of exchanges. The banks collects the money of the checks through the clearing section of its customers. Next, portfolio management. Banks manage the portfolio of their clients. It undertakes the activity to purchase and sell the shares and debentures of the clients and debits or credits the account. Next, utility functions of banks. We have several utility functions. Issuing letters of credit, travelers checks, etc. Next, undertaking safe custody of valuables, important documents, and securities by providing safe deposit values or lockers. Next, providing customers with facilities of foreign exchange dealings. Next, underwriting of shares and debentures. Next, dealing in foreign exchanges. Next, standing guarantee on behalf of its customers, etc. Next, types of banks. We have several types of banks. There are many different types of banks in the world, and each serves its own special purpose. Retail banks. The majority of people are the most familiar with retail banks as they are aimed primarily at customers. Next, commercial banks. Commercial banks service primarily individuals and small businesses. Typically, they will offer similar services as retail banks. Next, central banks. Central banks serve a more governmental role than the other kinds of banks. Next, cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are mutual banks can offer the financial products that both retail and commercial banks provide. Next, investment banks. Investment banks serve as intermediaries and advisors for large corporations, governments, hedge funds, and other financial institutions. Next, private banks. like many other banks, private banks offer a suite of in English pronunciation, US pronunciation, suite of financial service products and services, but to much more specific audience. Next, online banks. While retail banks have traditionally had physical locations, many are being to migrate to a purely digital space. Next, credit unions. A credit union is a type of cooperative bank that is entirely member owned. Next, savings and loan associations. Savings and loan associations are mutually owned financial institutions that concentrate on offering mortgages and helping people buy a home. Next topic, types of bank accounts. We have several types of bank accounts. First one, I think all of you familiar with this one. Savings account. Savings accounts can be opened by an individual or jointly by two people with an aim to save money. Next, current account. Uh, this type of bank account is mostly opened by businessmen, associations, institutions, companies, religious institutions, and other business related works. The current accounts can be opened. Okay. Next, recurring deposit account. A recurring deposit account or RD account is a form of amount wherein the account holder needs to deposit a fixed amount every month until it reaches the fixed maturity date. Next, fixed deposit account, FD account. FD account or a fixed deposit account is another type of bank account that can be opened in any public or private sector bank. Next, demat account. Shares and securities which can be held in electronic format constitute the demat account. The demat account also stands for dematerialized account. See, these are the important accounts. Next, types of bank loans. Say, already we discussed loans is primary functions of banks. We have several types of bank loans. Two important categories. First category, secured loans. In the secured loans, we have several types. Industrial loans. These loans require security. Industrial loans, home loans, loan against property, LAP, loan against insurance policies, loan against fixed deposits, gold loans, loan against mutual funds and shares. Next, unsecured loans. Types of unsecured loans are personal loans, educational loans, agriculture loans, short-term business loans, vehicle loans, etc. Next, our area, banking software applications. Say, for banking operations, automated banking operations, software applications required. One application is not sufficient for handling all bank related operations. Banks have several software applications to conduct their business operations. See, important software applications are, first one, core banking system. Core banking system automates banking branch business operations, covers retail and corporate banking services. It provides a software solutions for general ledger, accounts management, deposits, loans, advances, bills, clearings, uh, safe deposit lockers, safe custody items, and transaction process, etc. Next, ATM banking system. ATM, automatic teller machine. ATM banking system is connected to a network that offers basic banking functions to users. Access to bank account, balance inquiry, uh, bank transfers, retrieval of money, etc. Not all banking functions, a few banking functions. Next, internet banking system. Internet banking system integrates the various levels of interactions between the bank and its customers and provides the customers of the bank with the necessary interface to avail banking services on the net. Next, mobile banking. Mobile banking system is a mobile banking solution. It allows transactions through WAP, WAP enabled mobile phones, and also using SMS. Next, Forex management system. Forex management system is used to automate the foreign exchange operations of bank branches. It enables the bank to deal with the complexities of the business of foreign exchange with ease. Next, treasury management system. Treasury management system. See, treasury management system provides an efficient integrated treasury management system to a typical bank. This system is seamlessly integrated with core banking system. It can be deployed as an independent as well as add-on module with the existing system. Next, asset liability management system. Asset liability management system is a risk management tool that helps a bank management take investment or de-investment decisions, maintain the required liquidity ratio, credit reserve ratio, and other ratios. See, these are the banking domain basics for software professionals.